beginner's luck, but you know what the fuck is up. You treat the bar tab like it's second place and runner up. Every night is off the cuff. My ex says she wishes I'd plan better. I used to tell her, baby, there's a lot of us and we gotta stay united like Manchester. Other circle keep on winning when you party harder. Other fuck you rubbing elbows like you burn a Parker. And you gonna hit a blunt and make the focus sharper. See you niggas blowing up, ain't seen Pearl Harbor. Yeah, bro, but they shopper, you the shopper. Scorch boys on my flow and take it back up. Therefore, I'm having rappers with my supper. North Guard, that's my hush, you motherfucker. I trust all my D's, give me 3 types of properties. Sweets in the sky, on the street with some quality. Please, it's to fly me to my dream kind of holiday. And taxes so high that they boost the economy. Yeah, I'm trying to boost the economy. So I pick and choose how to use my autonomy to transfer my views on the new age democracy. One where the youth gets to choose the authority. Cause when I watch the news, it's abuse and dishonesty. So I got that change, evoke some emotions and cop that range. Call up the broker, the stock exchange. There are treasures to find if you look deep in my mind. I could blow up any second, but I'm just taking my time. Boom.
I swear I'm tired of taking my time, man. I'm just trying to ball out like some milkshake. Right here, right now. I'm talking bigger checks, golden necks, and jumbo jets. In fact, my nigga, tell them what's on your mind. Tell them what's happening in your house.
Lame niggas, same niggas. Yeah, them niggas who perfect the hate. No doubt you wanna set me off, but I'd rather set the record straight. Yeah, Roland Ramsey never miss. He games are hard on his Cook Cobain. Yeah, Aerosmith in 86. Let me teach you how to walk this way. Okay, I do it like a drill squad, everybody at ease. Do it like a rock star, literally the black keys. Do it like a charger, never run from battery. Even when I drop out, the ship is sounding catchy as fuck. I need to lay off the blunt, or have me some caffeine, a fat bean, while handling a snatch clean, rehashing a bad dream with mad screams. Whoever the fuck keeps me up and awake. Sold to you, season to taste. Knack for a rumor, say next to my face. Knack for them chips, we just stack them like hay. Then give back to the kids when I'm up in the cape. The fronting illusions got you some retweets. Jumping conclusions got you some potteries. The fact that you're using those sober soft beats means the proof's in the pudding. So say grace and eat, what a meal. Your money, David Copperfield. Proof, Jay, the package is the same fucking will. Over here we saving up, niggas trying to build something we can take with us, something we can kill, that's legacy. Shout out to my enemies, my energy makes them envy me. To the nth degree, the rest of me need the rest of 3 from the recipe. Women we weather, I'm abusing on my therapy.